This calendar is at the heart of Candle Jar's production planning features, giving you a clear overview of what's happening in your candle making schedule. You could create a task from the planner page. Each task can include one or more recipes, with the quantity of items you want to make clearly specified. Candle Jar will automatically check your supply levels and warn you ahead of time if you don't have enough materials to complete the task. To maximize efficiency, you can group multiple batches into a single production run, even if they come from different tasks. Candle Jar will alert you if any planned batch won't be cured on time based on the start date and due date you've set. Candle Jar also calculates the total amount of supplies you'll need to complete all your tasks, allowing you to plan your orders ahead of time. This helps you make smarter purchasing decisions, keeping your stock levels healthy without over-ordering. Now, here's something really handy. Let's say you're making a batch of candles for a wedding and another batch of the same candles for your online shop. If you decide to make both batches together, Candle Jar will still keep them separate, so you can track each batch individually. This allows you to make one batch available for sale when it's cured, while keeping the other private for the wedding. Candle Jar ensures you can efficiently manage and track your production, even when multiple purposes are involved. With Candle Jar's planning features, you have complete control over your production schedule, ensuring that every task and batch is perfectly managed and executed. With Candle Jar, every step of your candle making journey is simplified, from perfecting recipes to managing production and selling online. We're here to help you create, refine, and succeed. Ready to light up your candle making experience? Start exploring Candle Jar today.